Okay, this is another rendition of spoken word, and this is called The Vessel. Delve deep into the deepest levels of the human psyche. Unravel the coil. Walk through the earth trenches, the mother soil. Procreate divinity umbilical. Surrender your fist to the sky. Get wrapped around clouds of speculation. Always over-analytical. The time clock keeps on ticking. Not to the rhythm of your talk. Reveal your self-divinity. Pray tell the why of whys. Make them feel electric currents that venerate through your every vein. Tell them the stories of the dragons that you have slain. Electric frequencies seize your body to be the puppet of something so sacred, so sublime. To be baptized with the gift of gifts, the revelation of revelations. To actually know what it's like to feel.